Place a stability ball or horizontal foam roll behind you against a wall. Your feet should be in front of your hips, a little bit wider than hip distance apart. From here, press into the stability ball or foam roll as you roll down into a squat and then press through your feet to come back up. This can be a small range of motion or a large range of motion. You get to decide. Some ways to intensify this would be to add a pause at the bottom, count to about 5 seconds, and then press up through your feet. Breathe, hold, press up. Another option is to add a pulse where you come all the way down, come up a tiny bit, go back down, and then finish the squat. This can also be done with a weight. Same setup. You'll just hold one kettlebell or dumbbell in a goblet position in front of your chest. Feet are in front of you, a little wider than hip distance apart. Press the hips down and back. Press through your feet to stand up. You can inhale on the way down, exhale out your mouth on the way up. Use your legs and core.